Okay, here's a video on how to set up this indicator so you get any degree you want every time, all the time. Put your tube in, of course, lube it up and everything. And what you want to do is tighten it until the rope starts moving with the degree angle. Once you're there, come down to here. Get it as close as you can to 0. It's not critical yet. And say you want to do a 45 degree. So take half of that, around, let's say, 15. And just go for it. Stops at 15. Now you want to check it. So I need to go 2 more degrees. All you do is move this up, set this 2 more degrees. So 2 more degrees and it should be good. Now I want 45 degrees. This isn't accounting for spring back. And that should be 45 degrees. .3. Now you can go to any degree you want, take that tube out, put another tube in, and that indicator is set exactly. Say you want 70 degrees. Boom, you're done. 70 degrees right there. $69.5. Close enough for right now. So any degree you want with this one little magnet, up to 180 degrees. 190 if you want for spring back. Pretty cool. No repinning, nothing like that. One stroke, 180 degrees.